Okay, so let's see if we can get this thing to work here. So we're gonna do this. Oh yeah, of course. This is not working right here. So while we do this, the relay should be working. Yep. All right. All right. So the relay thingy is working, so you guys can use the commands. Actually, you know what we should do? Let's go and do let's work on the commands here. Let's make a command 0 is off, on sweep, sorry, else if user command 0 is equal to commands. Where is the send message? We have the isn't it like an actual? This one here, send Twitch message. All right, I want this. So send Twitch message. Okay, so we want commands on number, off number, sweep. And actually, what I'd like to do is let me try. Hmm. Oh, let me change this here. Properties. Let me try and zoom this. Zoom. There we go. Oh, it should be a little better for you. All right, so now you can actually see the lights when they go on. Save. Okay, so what we want to do is we want the commands, and we want to do the message here. So instead of just saying this is ready, commands on a sweep, save, upload. Oh, please don't tell me you're in here spamming already. Yeah, you can totally go away, Mr. Bot. Ban. Goodbye. Hey, how's it going? Why is this chat? Okay, my chat window is so bad. Okay, so what we want. Okay, so this should be working now. So he did it. Yeah, so he's got the command. So we do on one. Yeah, so now you can see. I actually have no idea what that looks like. Twitch.tv/Cardano. Mute. Oh yeah, you can see that. That's fine. Okay, cool. All right, so what we need to do is we need to look up some way to connect this. So let me actually go and grab one of these lights. We'll actually close the door so that cats don't come in. Where's one of the lights? Right. All right. So what we have is a Christmas light. We'll go to this one here. So this is the little Christmas lights that I bought, right? And I they were connected to a battery cell bank that you could put two double A's in, and then you can turn it off and on. And so what I did is I just removed it. So now all we have is the two ends, positive and negative. And I have to do it here. Let me go down to here. So there is a point where it connects between this. The middle one is always on, and it has to go to a. I have a wiring diagram. I can never remember exactly how it goes, but one of these is the toggle, and one of these is always on. So what happens is when the power from the Arduino comes through the other side, not the center one, but the other one that goes to the hot side, and the middle one is on the center all the time, or something like that. Maybe it's reversed. When the relay flips over and it marks it as on, that means it bridges the one side or the other. Depends on if you're in normally open or normally closed. And so when it's on, it's open, and then it closes like the right side, for example. And when the light's off, it's closing the left side of the pin. So that's how the relays work. And so what I'm looking for is a connection system so that I can take these outputs and go into a box that if I get a 3D printer, I want to make a box, right? Or if I get a project box of some sort, I want to be able to somehow fit these cables with the connector, and then I want to have a receptacle on the other side that I'll wire up from the Arduino itself that I can just plug and play just like a normal electrical outlet. And I have a bunch of electrical outlets actually. I just went and bought a pack of them, wherever they may be. I have no idea where they are. They're around here somewhere. Yeah, I don't know where I put them. Anyways, I have a bunch of electrical outlets that I bought. Because I have this, if I can get this out without destroying things. I've got a laptop for a Cardano node doing a synchronizing. So I have a uh, where's the main cam? So I have this. So this is my 8 channel. So this is the 8 channel version of the one that I have that has 4 on it. And this is actually going to be for Christmas lights, which we're going to use outside. So I got power outlets that I can hook up and wire into the relays on here, and the Arduino can synchronize with Vixen lights. It can turn them off and on with however you program the sequence for the lights. So that part's working. I just don't have the box for the power done yet. So that's kind of what I'm waiting for is an actual 4-gang box, because I need to put 4 electrical outlets inside of this box to power it. And that's the kind of part that I'm at right now. So what we need to do is we need to look for a what in the heck? Okay, so let's do what are people looking for? They're looking for pregnancy tests, Diwali decorations items, Tylenol kids, Christmas lights, clubhouse spices, pocket coffee. What is pocket coffee? Do I dare look at what pocket coffee is? Okay, so let's go for do they make a keystone jack for 3.5 millimeters? No, not 2.5. 3.5 millimeter. They do. So my idea was, since it's not that much power, if I hook up each light to a headphone jack and just use that as the connector, that's easy to get because you can buy the keystone jacks and then you just buy a bunch of connectors. I wonder if that'd be enough. because it's only like 5 volts. It's not like a whole bunch of power going through it. I don't need like a electrical outlet type of a system. Okay, so what's this? Okay, so you have to plug in. That's not the right one. Oh, one sec. Okay, there we go. We are back. All right, so the close the door again. All right, so we have this as a potential option. The question would be, can you buy them super super cheap? So I saw some DigiKey ones on here, but they were for something else. So let's see here. Uh, this, no, that's not what I want to do. I want to do like bulk. See, the push ones are kind of cool. I don't have to solder anything. I wonder if you no, because it's usually just a lever. It's not like these where you have to have a punch down. I don't want to stay signed out. You're in a different browser. All right. Um, tip read. Okay, that's for like stereo. TRRS is tip ring ring. So that's not going to be the one. Let's do TRS because I just need a mono. Prime cables. How much is this? Is this a pack or is this each? This is each. Oh, and no, you just and you have to plug it in. That's not what I want. I want the ones you solder. No. $41. How many is there like more than one or is this actually $41 each? Oh my god. What is this? What are they thinking? $41 each? Oh my god. You are seriously joking. Wow. $6. I have to get four of them. So I'd rather do it as cheap as possible, right? I'm not. Oh, what's this? Switchcraft. Okay, that has solder points. Rail connector, stereo 3 conductor tip-ring sleeve. I mean, it's stereo. Let's see if there's let's go mono. Oh, look at that. Right there. A buck is better. Alright. You can buy them. So if I want to buy like 20, it's $30, right? So if I get like 12, that's not bad. And that would work. Is this still. That's got 3 connections on it. That's still stereo. Ooh, what's this? You can get a plug. 2. I have no idea. Oh, what the hell is that? Okay, let's just go back here. Oops. Panel mount, PCB mount, through hole vertical. What's that? Oh, okay. Yeah, it's not gonna work. That will work though. Okay, so let's copy link address. I have a notepad here, and we're just gonna. Oops. We're going to do this. All right, so that's the one. So this is the 2.5 millimeter female jack, and this was $1.62 each Canadian. Okay. So now I need I want mono male. Solder. I need solder ones. These ones work. Solder type. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, you take them off and then you start. Yeah, that's the one. Look at that. 62 cent AliExpress. Where does it ship from? Ships from. Oh my god. No, that's not shipping. Free returns, on time guarantee, buyer protection, blah, 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 blah. You got to be careful with these ones because some of these sites or some of these products on AliExpress ship from China and you might be waiting like 3 weeks just to get it. So, okay, so if we got that mono male jack single, Walmart has some. And these, oh my god. Okay, connector black. Go away. Okay. Uh, cheap, cheap. Come on, super cheap, super super cheap. Cable mono. That is a cable that I do not need. That is with the cable thingy. Don't need that. That's not the same thing. Yeah, see, they're $1.92. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's the same company. I could get them all at the same thing. Cool. 3.5 millimeter male connector solder. These are 97 cents each. All right. So potentially we have these two. So we've got $1.62 and 97. So we've got basically $3 to per connector. So 3 per light. Come on, get over there. So that'd be $12 roughly. That's not too bad. So we're gonna do a solder thing. Oh, so now we need let's do shrink tube 22 AWG AWG. All right. So what can we do? We have a pack like this. Oh, that's from Princess Auto. Oh, cool. For $3, 1 millimeter color coded shrink tubing. Well, I guess I'm going into the city. Let's see what they got here. Lowest price. What do we got? $13 for 560 pieces. But that's huge stuff. I don't need all that. I got quick release ones. These would be nice. These are the automatic solder and shrinking ones. So you actually heat up the centerpiece, and it'll solder will melt and join the cables that you stick in it. Kind of cool. Um, but how come? Oh, because they're sponsored ones. That's why I was seeing that. Okay, so these are an 8, 9 piece, 8 sizes, 328 for 10, 100 for 10, 625 for 17. That's sponsored. So let's go to the next page. 102 for 11. There we go. Well, you know what? We're just gonna probably get this, I guess. That's pretty cheap. Heat shrink tubing, 560 pieces. And this was 1190. Okay. So now we've got this, and that will basically let me connect all of the individual wires. So every piece of wire that I have on the lights, when I connect it to the 22 gauge wire, I will solder them and put heat shrink on each of the ends. Probably hot glue around it just in case. If I can, I think I have some hot glue, and we'll just kind of seal it up like that in case something happens. Actually, this is all inside. I'm not gonna worry about hot gluing. I just want the heat shrink so that when the wires get close to each other, they're not gonna touch because that would be bad. So all right, and I don't want to use electrical tape. All right, so those are the three things that we need to do the lights. The next step is the fun one. This is the one that I want to get. I mean, $259. Reality.com. Ender series. And if you buy it from, go away. Um, okay. Neo 3D. Okay, so there's that one, and then there's this one. So this is the one that's on the site, I believe. Yeah, Ender 3 Neo 3D. So this is the version 1. And they will sell it to you for $155. So they're 219 and they list them as 310. So it's cheaper on their site. Okay, so what's the version 2 cost? This is the V2. So this one is 229. So it's still cheaper to get the V2 from them. What's this? Oh, PLA. I will get PLA. All right, so you can do a V2 for 229. So what's the difference between this and the other one? Uh, um, can you not compare them? All right. I'm just looking at the differences. Like this one has like this thing on the side. It's underneath on this one, I think. It looks like it's in the middle. This one has a nicer screen on it. The rail looks better. This one looks very generic with the linear rails on there. This one has slightly different system. Same leveling though. Same little knob leveling stuff in it though. Okay, so CR Touch for easier leveling. Okay. Quick heat, full metal extruder for smooth feeding. For smooth feeding. So it's the same extruder it looks like in the pictures. Reliable printing with durable build surface. Quick assembly, new UI, preview the print, human-centered design. No fear of outage. So it has power outage protection, which is important. We have really, really bad power here. Classic upgrade. A rotary knob is added to facilitate smooth feeding and withdrawal of filaments. Okay. Okay, it's got a preview on it, which I don't know if that's really important or not. 155 bucks though. Like that's cheap. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. Yep. I was on US. Oh, go away. Ender 3D V2. Where are we? 3D printer. Yeah, say $199. Go away. V2. So it goes up 100. It's still really 200 bucks. It's 50 bucks cheaper to buy it directly from them. I don't know. Should I buy one? Okay, this one isn't available for me, so I guess I'm not getting that one. All right. Oh, I guess so. That. Um. Okay. So they want $220 to ship to send it to me after taxes. So it's still cheaper than Prime, and it's free shipping. Oh, do we buy it? Do we buy it? I don't know. I don't know if we should buy it or not. Hmm. I don't know. What do you guys think? I have no idea if I should buy this or not. I have one for $220 with tax. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it. All right, it's on its way. 3D printer is on its way. All right, so now what we need to do is we need to look up some filament, right? So let's go to reality.com, all products, or more. All right. Ender series. So we do. Oh, okay. Yep, we're on Canada. Sure. Neo 3D. Where's the Neo 3D? This one. Okay. Uh, no, I want like 1.75 millimeter filaments. Okay. So I need filaments for 3D printing 1.75 millimeter. Okay. Okay, so we have this made in Canada. What? You can buy made in Canada stuff? Yeah, okay. PLA plus 600 meters. Wow, that's a big spool. Okay, that's yeah. Mm, wow. All right. We want just like regular ass stuff, like a black or a gray. What is it? PLA. This is. Oh, it's you can choose. Okay, let's do this. There's that matte gray, matte black, clear, and white. Just want regular stuff. Like gray is fine. I just print gray stuff. Da, 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 30 to 70 millimeters per second. How much is in here? 1 kilogram. Really? See, now I have no idea how. Oh, look at this. Uh, Gray. Just gray. 1 kilogram? No, I want like 1 kilogram, teal, beige, blue, brown, dark green, red, charcoal, black, cotton, white, earth brown, fossil gray. One of those two. Yes, I know. 1.75. Okay. So it's 25 bucks for 1 kilogram. How much does it take? 1 kilogram of filament. How long can it last? I have no idea. I've never 3D printed before. Oh my god. Go away. Okay, here we go. She's just over a month. Okay. I mean, 25 bucks a month. Alright, we'll add that. Um, no. Delete. Alright, so now I want to go here, add, go to cart. 4 items in your save for later. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so that's fine. I just want this thing, proceed. On my card, place your order. Okay, there we go. All right, we got filament and 3D printer on its way, and we will be able to print this stuff. Okay, let's get it going. Um, all right, let's do. Okay. So what else can we do? Let's do the sweep. Let's do So if it's sweep, uh, let's do all of these, and this is gonna be like 10, right? So we're gonna fix the sweep here. So we want top down. So what we do is in the chat, if we go on one, uh, on three, and we go sweep, Attempting to connect. For some reason, he doesn't want to connect. There he goes. And we'll do on 2. There we go. Okay, that works. So it resets them all to 0 and then does the sweep. Cool. All right. So let's do let's add in else if user command 0 is equal to alternate. Okay, so we're just gonna do 8 loops. So we want to do why don't we do I want 0 and 4, 0 and 3. You want to go high, high, and I want 1 and 2, low. And then we're going to do this. So we're going to repeat this 8 times. Like this. All right, and we're going to upload. Oh. All right. So now we should be able to do alternate. And then it'll do the 2 outside ones. There we go. Alternate. A. Okay, so then we need to do this, this. All right, so this should now blink the things, right? Actually, you know what we need to do first? We need to mark these as high at the beginning. All right. Like that. That way, whatever is done, if someone does it, it's going to blink it off and on. Okay, so now we want to go here, use ready. Let's do like on to alternate. There we go. Cool. I think that works. Cool beans. All right, so now we have that. So we need to do alternate. So we need alternate. And like that. Writing. There we go. Alright, so now you should be done. So now we've got the alternating one in here, like a blinker. You know what we should do is we'll do KR for Knight Rider. Right? Okay. Alright, so we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna do mark them all as high. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to go digital right pins I we're gonna do this 4 times, and we're gonna go int k. No, we want j. Okay. No, we're gonna do k for kit. All right. So digital. We want for k equals 0, k less than 4, k plus plus. I'm gonna do this twice. So we're gonna go digital right pins k low. And I want, so I need to do, starting at 0, k minus 1 plus 1. Sorry, this is k plus 1. Okay, so let's do int 1 equals k minus 1, t equals k. We're going to do L1, L2, L3 is equal to k plus 1. If L1 is less than 0, if less than, less than 0, L1 equals k. Okay. If L3 is greater than 3, L3 is equal to k. Alright. And so then we want to do L1, L2, L3. So I want these to be low, and I want it, whatever my light is, I want it to be anything on either side of it, right? Actually, no. We are going to change this. We're only going to do 2 because there's only 4. So we're going to do int first equals whatever k is. The second, or we'll say last, is equal to, why don't we do this, right? Int last is equal to 0, -1. Okay. So what if we do digital right we're going to say pins K. So this one is low. So we turn it on. But we want to do the last one. So the one before. So if K is 0 or greater than 0, digital write pins K minus 1 low. If K is greater than 0, 1, if it's greater than 1, we want to digital write pins 0 high, digital write pins 1 high. Alright, so this should go through each one. It will do the first one, and then it will do the next one, and then it's greater than 0. If it's greater than 1, it's going to mark them as off. Okay, so then we need to go the other direction. We don't need last in here. Okay. So we do this. Oops. Okay, so now we need to go greater than 0. Alright. And this should do, we want to do K plus 1. And this will be 3, 2, and 3. If it's less than 3, 2. So now we're going the other way. If K is greater than 0, so we're going from 4. Yeah, if it's greater than 0. Okay, let's just try this. Greater than 3. Right? Because that means it would be 4. We'll make it 2. Or less than 3. That would work, right? Alright. So let's do KR. And then what we should be able to do is watch what happens when we do this. Come on. It really doesn't want to connect right away anymore. Oh, yeah, there it is. Okay. Ooh. Hi. No.
Is there anything you need at the grocery store over there?
Don't know. We could have the chicken tortillas or something, and we need cheese.
There's no.
I thought you would use the rest of the cheese.
Yeah, but we used the rest of the chicken or the turkey that was left over too.
Oh yeah, but we can use. There's chicken downstairs, like frozen chicken breasts on there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so I was gonna get some cheese and some onions is what I have in my grocery list.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that works.
Okay. Nothing else?
No, I think everything else is here. Alright, so broke. I don't know why it broke. Alright, I have no idea why that broke, but oh, you know what? There's no delay on here. Delay. Maybe that'll work. Oh, see, this is what happens when you're not used to certain languages. You forget the semicolons. All right, we're gonna see if it's just because it's going too fast. And we'll see if this one works now. Yeah. All right. So KR. Nope. Okay, so it's a out of bounds. It's an out of bounds issue. Um, reset. All right. Okay, so let's redo this. Right. Let us redo this. All right. So this is my start. So I just want to go for I equals 0. I is less than 4. I plus plus. We're going to take digital right pins I, mark it low, and then we're going to say if I is greater than 0, digital right pins I minus 1 low, and then we're going to say if I is greater than 1, digital right pins I minus 2 high, and if I is greater than 2, digital right pins I minus 3 high. Okay. Or why don't we do? Can we use a matrix and just go through each one, and then every single one we just have a pattern in it, right? Let's try this. All right. So we have int for or sorry, int pattern up 4 is equal to 4 of 4. All right. I don't know if you can do this. So you want to go 1 0 0. So we'll go low, high, high, high. High, low, low. Well, 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 well. Let's do 5 or 4. And then we go high. Okay. Is that gonna? I wonder. I don't even know if that works. Maybe it doesn't work. Oh, you know what? I didn't even switch it. Oh my god, I'm stupid. All right. So I want to go. I want to go int P is going to be pattern up I. And then what we're going to do for, we're going to go int j. For j is equal to 0, j less than p point. I want to do, and I know there's only 4. I'm just going to hard code it. So I want pj, I want to go digital write pins j to pj, like that. And then we will delay 100 milliseconds. We'll see if this works. I don't know if that's going to work or not. Nope. Int of int for array. Nope. Okay. Invalid conversion of permission. Okay. So this doesn't like this. Yes, it has the values. 504. Um, yeah. Let's just verify it first. Okay, that liked it. So it doesn't let you assign. Oh, I bet you it's the C thing. Maybe you have to do like a pointer to the value instead. Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to do KR. Let's flip over to this one here. See what this does here. Okay. Yeah. Let's try it this way. I'm just moving the delay inside the for loop. I think it was just going way too fast. Come on, bot. You can do it. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, let's try this. Let's see if it's just not incrementing. Maybe it's the I that's screwing it up. Because this should go through each one. Yeah, it was just doing the first one. Okay, let's try this. Alright, come on, bot. You can do it. There you go. Sweet. Nice. All right. All right. So that works. So can I just do this in reverse? If I go 5 greater than 0 and I decrement it like that. All right, let's just try this. Yep. Okay. So now this should do it both ways. Um. Okay. Why would you do that? So what is the difference with this one? It should go from, yeah, it should go from the far side, the side closest to this connector, and then work its way back. Nope. While it's equal to 5, oh, 4. All right. Oh, and then it does I need to include 0. All right. Okay, that's right. Okay. Uncomment. Okay, so now this should do this what, once? Yeah, so it should go this way and then this way and then turn off. Come on. All right. Yeah, okay. This delay in the middle though, I don't think I need it. All right. Here we go. So now, let's do this whole thing for, I want int loop count is 0. For loop count equal to 0, loop count, let's do 1, 2, let's do less than 4. Loop count plus plus, and I want to do all of this in here. All right. So this should do the whole thing 4 times. And we're going to turn on camera here. KR. That is cool. I like it. All right. I think that's pretty cool. I think we got some stuff doing some fancy things here. So this is using a multi-dimensional array or a matrix. And yeah, we just loop through each one. We set our pattern, and then the code just rips through each index and then does each pattern as it sees fit. I think, what if we do this again? Let's move this out. I'm curious because I don't care what it does to the relays itself. It's just that the delay between each sequence is short. So let's try and do we'll each trigger or alternate toggle of each relay off and on. I move that delay out so it no longer delays between the toggle, but it delays between going between each index of the matrix. So we're gonna try this. Let's go back to this camera and we'll try this again. We'll see if this is looks smoother. Yeah, that's cool. That looks like, oh yeah, that's really cool. I like that. I like that a lot. All right, we are going to leave that on here, and yeah, we got the night rider working. All right, so we're gonna leave it for the night, and we will come back to this, work on it a little bit more. So we got, I just, the email that popped up was the shipment of the printer is already on its way, which is amazing, and we will try and get this done and set up. I have no idea where I'm gonna set this thing up. I kind of need a desk in the corner or something just to put the printer on. I'll put it in like the back corner on an angle, and that way I can access it still. Maybe that's something I'll look into doing. But anyways, for now, I think we're done. We're going to call it for the day, and we will do some more programming later. We will try to upload this to YouTube, and people can see what's going on. So, anyways, thanks for watching. And for you guys who are watching this on YouTube, like and subscribe, and we will do this later.